I would definitely recommend you to go for it if it's if you're ever interested. Great fun, great team. I can't say anything better than just that. Hi, my name is Jassim Jamal. I'm the demand planning manager for the MEASAT region here in Huda Beauty. Pleasure to meet you. And just now, I just finished the DDBrix and the DDP training workshop with B2Wise. All I can say is it was very interesting, very engaging, and to be honest, it's always nice to learn new concepts, especially in supply chain and planning. And that's what they've exactly brought in with this workshop, especially with the activities, with the examples, the use cases. I would definitely recommend you to go for it if it's if you're ever interested. Great fun, great team. I can't say anything better than just that. So it was good.